Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a simple vinaigrette salad dressing. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with Chalk Zero and we're going to show you how to make a sugar-free peach vinaigrette. Let's get started. When you buy a bottle of dressing from the grocery store, not all of them are going to be keto friendly, and some of them actually contain added sugars or can be quite high in carbs. So that's why it's great to make your own salad dressings, and they're actually very easy to make. Today we're going to be making a peach vinaigrette using Chalk Zero's sugar-free peach syrup. This recipe is very easy, and it can all be made either in a mason jar or a small bowl. In a bowl, you want to combine a 1/4 cup of white balsamic vinegar. If you didn't want to use balsamic vinegar, you could substitute with maybe sherry vinegar or even some apple cider vinegar would be a delicious substitute. Then for a little bit of sweetness and that peach flavoring, we're going to be adding Chalk Zero's peach syrup. So this syrup is sugar-free and it's sugar alcohol-free. Next, you'll need 1 teaspoon of stone ground mustard, or you can use Dijon mustard, a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon pepper, and then 1 tablespoon of chopped basil. This is best if you use fresh basil, it really adds some flavor to there. Mix that together until everything's uniform, and then very slowly you're going to drizzle in 1/2 cup of olive oil. Now another option is just to add this all to a mason jar, give it a good shake until it's mixed up, and then you're good to go. This dressing is so good, especially when you pair it with some creamy mozzarella cheese or on top of any salad. I think this dressing would also be really good on grilled chicken. Store it in the refrigerator for up to a week. Make sure you tag us, Chalk Zero, with all of your photos of your sugar-free peach vinaigrette.